Well, I hope everyone's doing well tonight. I just wanted to make a quick video about my water filters that I've used on my sink, on my refrigerator, two refrigerators actually. And I always kind of wondered, if the lesser expensive ones were made much different. They all seem to be some sort of charcoal filter, I believe it is, it's inside them. Anyway, the filters, they all seem to have the same process. Now maybe some of them are, well, the diameter walls of them are a little bit different maybe from one to another, but but then again, your difference in length. So I really can't see much difference in them. Now my wife, she did complain about some of the lesser expensive ones, that she didn't like the taste of them as much, but I just can't see that much difference in them. I drank the water, I think it tasted fine, but I don't know, maybe somebody that actually manufactures these can jump on this video and make some comments and enlighten all of us out there about these filters, and why the ones that actually are called for with the refrigerators cost $30-40 a piece. I change them. Sometimes I go up to a year, but I try not to go past that. Sometimes every 6 months, but so these have been up to a year, and you can't even see any kind of build up on them. Maybe under, like I said, under a microscope you might be able to. I do have a lot of lime in my water, but really there was nothing that looked like there was anything wrong with these filters when I did change them between 6 months and a year. So basically that's all I wanted to do, is throw a little video out there to show you what's in them. If you decide to cut them open for yourself, you can watch this video and avoid it, and hopefully I'll get a little bit of input from somebody that actually manufactures them that can give us some insight that'll help all of us out there make wiser purchasing decisions on water filters. Y'all have a good evening. Take care.